Welcome to Careerya, the podcast that delves deep into the world of technology and innovation. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're unraveling the mystery of Salesforce orgs. We'll explore the different types of orgs, their uses, provide examples, and even have a quiz with answers to test your knowledge. Salesforce orgs serve as the foundation for all your Salesforce operations, and understanding them is crucial. So, let's start with the basics. Segment 1: Introduction to Salesforce orgs. Salesforce orgs are like the building blocks of your Salesforce experience. They're individual environments where your data, configurations, and customizations live. There are several types of orgs, each with its own unique purpose. The primary ones are Production, Sandbox, Developer, and Developer Pro. Example 1. A production org is your live instance, where all your real data and customer interactions happen. It's the heartbeat of your Salesforce operation. Example 2. Sandboxes are your testing and development environments. They're like clones of your production org, but without the live data. You can experiment, build, and test in sandboxes without affecting real customer data. Now, let's explore the uses of these different org types. Segment 2: Uses of Salesforce orgs. The production org is where you conduct day-to-day business operations, manage customer data, and track sales and customer service activities. Example 3. In a sandbox org, you can develop and test new features, configurations, and custom code. This helps ensure that any changes you make won't disrupt your live instance. Example 4. Developer orgs, often referred to as dev orgs, are perfect for individual developers or small teams. They're great for learning, prototyping, and coding in a controlled environment. To solidify our understanding, let's dive into some quiz questions. Quiz: Test your Salesforce org knowledge. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of a production org? Question 2. Which type of org is used for developing and testing new features without affecting live data? Question 3. True or false, sandboxes are clones of production orgs with the exact same data. Question 4. What's the primary use of a developer org? Question 5. Which type of org is your live Salesforce environment where customer interactions occur? Question 6. In a sandbox org, can you experiment with configurations and customizations without affecting real customer data? Yes/no. Great job! Now, let's wrap it up. Understanding Salesforce orgs is essential for effective Salesforce management. The different org types each serve a unique purpose in the Salesforce ecosystem, from live business operations to safe testing and development environments. Thank you for tuning into Careerya. I hope you enjoyed this journey into Salesforce orgs. If you found this episode valuable, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. This is Careerya, signing off. Until next time. We appreciate your support and engagement. If you enjoyed this episode and found it valuable, please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Careerya. Your feedback and support mean the world to us, and it helps us bring you more content that matters to you.